So, Kalpita Mirdabashni is over here, and you are the defender, and then?
Mitra is the forward player, sir.
Okay. And striker?
Brinda is left midfielder, sir.
Okay.
Balajana is the goalkeeper, sir.
And Vishnupriya is a striker?
Yes, sir. She will take care of the midfield and strikers, sir.
Right, okay, fine. Okay, well positioned, and now we are going to start the game. And whatever you are going to do here will add points to the team. Yes, goal scoring is very important, but although you haven't scored the goal properly, you will still get the points for other things as well.
Sir, which will decide whether we are going to get the protection seal, sir? The number of goals or the strategies, sir? Which is going...
Both. Goal, you have to be a specialist player if I keep the rule as a goal one. So both will decide.
Thanks.
You want the camera to be a little closer or something? Or is it okay?
Yeah,
This is fine,
sir.
This is
Sir.
fine. Okay,
So this is fine, sir.
fine, okay, right. All
Sir.
right, so...
Sir.
சொல்றா. சொல்லு அனாஸ். அனாஸ் சொல்றா. Sorry. Now, a quick regulation. When I am asking a person, that person please speak. ஆர்வ கோளாறுல கத்துன்னு கத்தாதீங்க. போன தடவை டெமோல அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி எல்லாருக்கும் சான்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும். I don't want anybody to be left alone. Put your hand up legitimately. Coming up by sequence, நான் கண்டிப்பா எல்லாத்துக்கும் சான்ஸ் கொடுப்பேன். So that's how that will ensure a very, very qualified and peaceful game and an enjoyable game. So அதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கோஆபரேட் பண்ணுங்க. Got it? Right. So, Dakshin, normally we will go for a toss, right? They will start.
Sir, let them start, sir. No problem, sir.
Okay, so Team Anas has allowed Team Mirdabashni to start up. So, Team Mirdabashni, you give your opening suggestion. So, இவங்கெல்லாம் இங்க இருக்காங்க. So, இங்க நீங்க goal score பண்ணணும். So, your opening suggestion. So, யாருகிட்ட யாரு பாஸ் பண்றீங்க இங்கிருந்து அப்படின்றத எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க. Mitra.
Sir, first Vishnupriya, sir.
Okay,
yes, sir.
She passes to whom?
Yes, sir. She passes straight to Mriduka, sir. So once she passes, she goes here, sir. So near here, sir,
Okay.
before the defender, sir. And Mriduka passes it to me, sir, being the forward player, sir. Then here Kalpitaka stands at the same place, sir.
Okay.
Then Brindaka and I pass and dribble the ball with each other, sir.
Okay.
And we reach here, sir, near that place, sir. And Vishnu Mridubashneka also comes here, sir. So when we pass this ball straight away to Mridubashneka, she tries to bicycle kick, sir, and we score a goal, sir.
Bicycle kick. Okay,
Yes,
fine. So I can stop over here because in எல்லா பிளேயர்ஸும் இருக்காங்க இங்க.
Okay, sir.
அதனால I cannot take it forward.
Okay, sir.
So far, okay. Thank you. You sit down. Team Mirdubashni, any addition before I ask Team Anas for the tackle?
No, sir, I had the same idea, sir.
Fine. So it's a cohesive strategy, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, boys in Team Anas, Mitra and the whole number of team players have proposed that Mirdubashni will forge on over here. Vishnupriya is forging on very near to the defender, and these two will be dribbling the ball. And இங்க ஒரு பெரிய battalion இருக்கிறதுனால நான் இங்க பாலை நிறுத்தி வச்சிருக்கேன். So let us go by sequence. First, Dakshin will speak, and then Anas will speak. Dakshin.
Sir, before Sibi goes, sir, I will go to the wider region, sir, where there is space, and I'll wait for the ball, sir. Sibi will intercept not there, sir, like on the left side, sir. Yes, sir. And once Sibi intercepts the ball, he'll put it in the left flank, sir, where there is space. And then I'll run with the ball, sir, waiting for my other teammates to come and help me.
அனாஸ் சிபி அதிசயமா கை தூக்கியிருக்கான், அவன்கிட்ட கேட்கலாமா உனக்கு முன்னாடி?
Yes, sir. You can ask for Sibi, sir, because he did not raise hand in the demonstration, sir. After that, I will speak.
Good leadership. Okay.
Super.
சிபி சொல்றேன். So தக்ஷன் சொன்ன மாதிரி நீ வந்து இங்க இன்டர்செப்ட் பண்ணோனே தக்ஷன் பால் எடுத்துட்டு இங்க வந்துட்ட அப்படி. So மித்ரா கல்பிதாவுடைய ரூல் உடைக்கப்பட்டிருக்கு. So இங்க வந்திருக்காங்க. So சிபி சொல்லு.
Come on, Sibi.
சார் அப்புறம் சார் நெக்ஸ்ட் அஸ்வத்தாமன் அண்ணா will come there, sir, and
Okay.
me also, I am also come there, sir.
Okay.
Then the ball will go to the Ashwathaman Anna, sir.
Okay. Yes, the ball is right now with Aswathaman. Apram.
Next ball come to me, sir.
Once and it comes to you and wait. Okay, Sibi, wait. Ipo, Anas, you can now. Anas,
Sir, I can't hear properly, sir. Sir,
சரி பரவாயில்ல சொல்லு உன்னுடைய ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி இப்ப சொல்லு. சிபி அஸ்வத்தாமன் இங்க கொண்டு வந்து he has advanced the ball here, whereas Kalpita and Balaji are the only opposite players. So இங்கிருந்து இவனுடைய ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி சொல்லு, அதுக்கப்புறம் I'll go to team Mirdubashni. Come on.
sir, Ashwattham will be coming near to Sibi, sir.
Okay.
Sir, he will pass the ball and he will confuse, sir.
Okay.
Sir, quickly
Fine.
Sibi will be going near to goal post, sir.
Right. Okay. Fine. So we will come back to that. Now, Kalpita Sri, go.
Yes, sir. So till now, as Anas has said that Sibi will strike, sir. What I shall do is block the vision of Sibi, sir, and quickly pass the ball to Mitra, sir, purple color, sir. And Mitra there will pass to either Mirdubashni Akka or Vishnupriya, and they can score the goal, sir, since most of the opponent players are in our side, sir.
Vision block for Sibi Adityan, and Mitra comes over here, and now the ball is passed to Mitra as Kalpita mentioned. Okay, now fine. Mirdubashni, you raised your hand as a leader. Come on, tell me.
Sir, what I was so Mitra will pass to Brinda, sir.
Okay.
And Vishnupriya will accompany Brinda, sir.
Okay. But
And they
stop.
both triple. Yes, sir.
But stop. Here there is a problem. Dakshan Siddharth is standing over here. அதனால இப்போ அவங்களுடைய டிஃபென்ஸ் மெக்கானிசம் நான் எடுக்கணும். Okay, Mirdubashni.
Okay, sir.
All right. So Team Anas, as per Kalpita's words, Kalpita has passed the ball to Mitra. Mitra has passed the ball to Brinda, and Brinda and Vishnupriya are dribbling, but Dakshan Siddharth is standing over here. So Ritan, now you can speak.
Sir, myself and Anas are in the defense, sir. So Anas will be staying there, sir, and I will be going to defend the ball, sir. At some time, the ball will be coming towards the goalkeeper, sir. So at that time, I will be trying to defend the ball, sir. Yes, sir, and I will get the ball and pass to Ashwathaman or Sibi, sir, who's near me, sir.
Okay. Addition, Dakshit, you can add. As per what Ritan Nitish has mentioned, this has been broken, and here Dakshin is standing, here you are standing. I mean, that is Ritan is standing, here Ashwathaman is standing. So Ritan is thinking of whether to pass to Anas over here, or a diagonal pass crossing over Mitra and 2 Aswathaman. So Dakshit, you can say your clue. Come on.
Sir, yes, sir. Ritan will curve pass to Ashwathaman, sir, so that the defender Kalpita over there will approach near Ashwathaman, sir. At that time, he will diagonally pass that to CB, sir, and he will score the goal, sir. Tackle ball shot.
Wow. Beautiful move, Dakshit.
Thank you.
Balaji, goalkeeper, what's your strategy? Goal போகிறதுக்கு நிறைய சான்ஸ் இருக்குடா. So யோசிச்சு சொல்லு. Are you going to call Kalpita? Yeah, come on.
Sir, I will collect the ball, sir, safely, sir. Since no one is around me, sir, I will collect the ball, sir, and I will throw the ball to Mitra. Midfielder, sir, and midfielder, sir, and so the midfielder will pass it to either of the midfielder, sir, and pass it to Mitra, sir, who is in the forward, sir, and they can try to. Okay, sir.
Okay.
And
Sir, at this time, one side Brindaka is near, sir. She comes here, sir, and I go there, sir. So Brindaka straight away gets here, sir. And as Balajana is throwing the ball, sir, Mridubhashanika will try a bicycle kick to Brindaka, sir, and she tries a header, and that finally ends up with the goal, sir.
Okay, bicycle hit and header. Now, Team Anas has to be given more scope of explanation as they are in a very dangerous position of sparing a goal. So, we will first of all listen to Anas, the leader. Anas, come on.
Sir, I, Ashwathaman and Ritan will be coming here, sir. Sir, we will take the ball and we will kick sidely to CB, sir.
But here, only Dakshit is there. So, are you going to, are you going to stand across diagonal to Dakshit, or are you going to come parallel to Dakshit? How are you positioning yourself?
Sir, so I'm going for straight, sir.
So Brinda is tackled over here, and Aswathaman and Anas. Okay, fine. So wait, Aswathaman, now you speak. As per Anas mentioned, it is over here, but there is an equivalent scope. 3 strong players, Mridubhashini, Mitra, Brinda over here. And we still have Sibi still in the middle, Kalpita as a defender, and Vishnupriya also over here. So Aswathaman, take over from here.
Sure, okay, sir. Sir, Anasana will tackle the ball, sir, but as they can get the ball, sir, he will do a rainbow flip through them, sir, and then he'll tackle Vishnupriya with a rainbow flip, sir, and then he will make a quick pass to Sibi, sir, and then after Sibi, sir, he will. Sir, yes, sir. After Sibi, he'll pass to.
Wait. Now, good tactic. So, a rainbow flick has taken the ball, and it is very much in the control with Sibi and Aswathaman. Now, Dakshin is standing here. So, come on, Dakshin, take it forward.
Sir, I'll dribble the ball and go forward, sir, since there's a lot of space between me and the defender, sir. And Sibi will also follow me parallelly, sir, in the opposite side. And I'll make a quick pass to Sibi, sir.
Okay, right now, wait.
Yes, sir.
Team Mridubhashini, who is speaking? Vishnupriya, chance Kuruma?
Yes, sir.
Vishnupriya, go.
Yes, sir. So as Mriduka is standing near the ball, sir, she goes and she takes the ball, sir. For a support for her, I come from there to there and I lock the ball. I will stand opposite to Mriduka, sir, so that if she gets the ball, she would pass it to me, sir, so that I would flip. I would kick a high shot to Brinda, sir.
Okay,
Standing
wait.
Yes, sir.
Fine, wait. Brinda, now you can speak. Vishnupriya has proposed that she will make a scoop and high shot to you. So, come on, you tell me, what is the next?
Sir,
Sir, Mriduka, now the ball is with Mriduka, sir. Now Mriduka and Priya were dribbling it, sir. So Mriduka, when Mriduka passes to me, sir, so I straight away passes to the purple one, sir. I will dribble the ball and I will pass this to purple, sir. That is Mitra, sir. She was forward player, sir. Then I also accompany her, sir, so that it will be possible for us to score a goal, sir.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Now. Now.
Thank you, Mr.
We had Sibi raising hand, we had Ritan raising hand. So Sibi, now Brinda has again made the impossible possible. She has brought it over here. And as Vishnupriya rightly mentioned, 2 elevated high shots between the Egypt corner and the Indian corner. It is right now with Dakshit. Now here, Brinda and Mitra, very well over here. Now, Sibi, you speak.
Sir,
Ritan, this is Ritan.
Okay, sir. Ritan Anna, go and take the ball and kick very long to the Ashwatam Anna, sir. Then Ashwatam Anna take the ball and give to me, sir. And I am passed to Anasana, sir.
Okay, now, Ritan, you can follow through. Okay, Sibi is okay. Sibi, அடுத்தவங்களுக்கு chance. Ritan, you can follow through.
Sir, in this time, sir, Sibi will be going to his own corner side, sir. So, I send the to the corner, sir. No, sir. To the opposite team corner side, sir. And Anas will be cutting the ball and hitting to Sibi, sir. And Sibi will be attacking fastly to the goal and make a goal, sir.
No, இங்க மிருதுபாஷினி விஷ்ணுபிரியா இருக்காங்க. அதனால now I need to get it from them. Okay, from team மிருதுபாஷினி, who's speaking? Mitra, go.
Sir, Mridubashini or Vishnupriya sir, they take the ball to this Britain corner, sir, Great Britain corner, sir. So yesterday what I told was we are going to take the ball to the forward players.
Exactly.
Yes, sir. So I am standing there, sir, forward player and Brindaka, sir. A direct high shot, sir, because good, sir, if they use the front anchor means it's going to go with the force, sir. So it straight away lands there and we, however, try to dribble and
Ritan.
We will tackle Ritan and directly when Ritan is coming to my side, Brindaka scores the goal. No, because no one is here except Ritan and Dakshit.
Everybody mute. Now, Dakshit alone will speak because it is very much fast. Brinda and Mitra have come beyond the defender. Dakshit.
Sir, yes, sir. The moment Mitra tackles Ritan Nitesh, between them I'll go and pick up the ball with my hand, sir. And I'll throw it to Ashwathaman, sir, the green pawn. Yes, sir. And he'll diagonally pass it to Sibi over there, sir. He's not man marked by anyone, sir. So that he scores the goal, sir. Okay, sir.
Scoring the goal, I don't think so. But Anas is, one second, Sakshin. Yes. Anas is over here to support. Dakshin very much is over here to support. So Dakshin, rightfully you need to speak now. Come on.
Sir, I would ask Anas to go inside the box, sir, into the gap. And we'll do a tiki-taka, sir. A one-touch triangular pass to break the defense and quickly we'll turn and score, sir. Anas will quickly turn and score, sir. Just one touch triangular pass, sir, like Barcelona do, and we'll quickly Anas will turn with the ball and he'll score, sir.
Okay, a tiki-taka between Sibi and Dakshin brings it to Anas. Now, Kalpita is over here, Mridubashini is over here, Vishnupriya is over here, Balaji over here. So it is the goalkeeper's call, and Balaji, Mridubashini, Vishnupriya, or anybody in the team can speak now. Brinda has an answer. Okay, Brinda, tell me.
Sir, shall I speak, sir?
Brinda, can we ask the goalkeeper and then I'll come back to you?
Okay, sir.
Balaji, speak.
Sir, since it's within the box, sir, so I will collect the ball, sir. And then I will throw the ball to the to either to away play, so that our team players will be going little bit backwards, sir. So I'll pass it to the midfielder, sir, first, sir. And whenever there is a space, sir, then it goes to power play Mitra, sir, and then Brenda tries to accompany Mitra, sir. So they both try to score the goals there from there, sir.
Okay, I can take it, but midfield la vandittu Aswathaman orthan dhaan nikran. Adanal once again, the sequence goes like this: Brinda, and then Vishnupriya, and then Kalpita, and then Mitra. Because I'm Ramanarama pesla. Yes, Brinda.
Sir,
But
the ball is
still
with
with
Anas,
Aswathaman
sir.
only. Soluma, Solu.
Sir, the ball is with Anas, sir. So when he tried to goal, sir, Kalpita defenses and passes to Vishnupriya, sir. So then Vishnupriya passes to Mridu Bashnyaka, where she is in Egypt corner, sir. So according to Egypt corner, sir, again it's a successive pass, sir. So if she passes to
Britain corner. This is not Egypt corner. So you want Mridu Bashni to take it to Egypt corner? That's what you are saying?
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let's say she's okay. Egypt corner, Gwanta. Okay, then.
Sir, according to Egypt corner, sir, successive pass, sir. So she can pass it to forward player, sir. So Mitra, sir.
All right. Okay.
So then there, sir, actually when she comes, sir, me also standing there, sir, blue pawn, sir.
Yeah.
When we dribble the ball and come near to the goal post, sir, it is possible for us to goal, sir.
Any addition?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
Yes, sir.
Vishnupriya, tell me.
Yes, sir. So now the ball is with Mitra and Brinda, sir. So I would come there, not me, sir. Mirduka would come there for help, sir. So if they tackle Ritan Nitish, sir, as a defender, sir, and we just make a tactic that Dakshitana comes, we also cross Dakshitana, sir, and giving the ball to Mirduka, Mirduka scores a goal, sir.
Kalpita, last addition before we go to Team Anas.
Okay, sir. So, sir, the goalkeeper is behind the goalkeeper and Ritta Nitish are standing parallel to each other, sir. We have a gap in the corner, sir. We shall try low scoring shots, sir, with great force, sir, so that it would be difficult for the goalkeeper to save the ball, sir, and we shall score the goal, sir.
Okay, so possible hitting and most probable goal, but before that, we need to take the responsible answer from Dakshit and goalkeeper. Dakshit, every possibility of scoring a goal, so you need to give us chance answer. Maybe you can go for a quick team talk or something, because there is 90-10 chance.
Yes, sir. Sir, we'll go for a team talk, sir.
Yeah, Aswathaman said he has a defensive mechanism. Ask him.
Yes, Aswathaman, come up with your idea. Like, first share it with us, and after that we'll finalize it.
Anna, so yes. My in the team talk, I have said about my surprise save idea, na. So we can do that now.
Aswathaman, it's 1v1. You don't have any defender here.
Yeah.
Only the goalkeeper has to make a choice. Okay.
Yeah,
so Dakshit, I have one very good suggestion for you. Look, before the ball crosses you, just do a sliding tackle, Ra. Okay. Don't give the player time on the ball. Okay. Don't give them proper vision. Hide the post properly and quickly do a sliding tackle and clear the ball away. That's the only thing you can do.
Sliding tackle. Okay, fine. Right. Okay, we don't have time. Sliding tackle, but then I'm really sorry, guys. Sliding tackle. There is a huge room over here for the goal.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Well done, team.
Well done, team.
Thank you, Brenda. Thank you, sir.
First round is over. Not the match, but the first round. And it has been 24 minutes since the match has started. Now, team by team, we are going to have the mark. Now, let me start with Anas. Anas has contributed by 35 points. Aswathaman has contributed by 20 points. Dakshit has contributed with 45 points. Dakshin, with his participation and ideas, has contributed 50 points. Sibi, I'm adding a bonus for Sibi. He has contributed and he also gets 30 points. Ritan Nitish did a wonderful job twice and it was really smart from his side. So he has also scored 35 points. So,
Thank you, sir.
215 in this round for Team Anas. Now, Balaji has scored 30 points. Mitra has scored 40 points. Kalpita has scored 45 points. Vishnupriya has done a good job, 35 points. Mridubashni has done a good job, 30 points. Brinda also did a real good job, 40 points. So, $220 and goal bonus 50. So 270 by Team Mridubashni, 215 by team, and a tackle bonus twice they were defending. So a tackle bonus of 20 points is given for Team Anas. So 20 points tackle bonus, 50 points goal bonus for Team Mridubashni. So the grand score is 235 by Team Anas, 270 by Team Mridubashni. Now, let's go to the second round of the match. So, the goal is hit over here, and Dakshit has got the ball. Dakshit, you can start now. உங்ககிட்ட தான் பால் இருக்கு. யார்கிட்ட வீச போற? என்ன பண்ணுவ? எங்க பொசிஷன் நிப்பாங்க? யார்கிட்ட வீசுற? Tell me the reason why you are throwing the ball, or if you are hitting the ball, or if you are kicking the ball to the straightaway goal post. Tell me the reason. Come on.
Sir, yes, sir. Dakshin is in the left side, sir. Sir, green,
Yes.
sir. That one.
Yes, yes.
Sir, left, sir. For me, the left is the other side, sir. The corner. Yes, sir. So I throw the ball to him, sir.
Dakshin, take it over. He has thrown the ball. Yes,
sir. Sir, there's a lot of gap for me to pass it to my teammate Ashwathaman, sir. So I give a through ball to him, sir. Can carry the ball, and he has Anas waiting inside the box, sir. And Sibi and I also follow him, sir. So all four of us go there, sir. We still haven't lost the ball yet, sir. And then another tiki-taka, sir. I give it to Anas. Anas passes it back to Sibi, and Sibi has room here, sir. Yes, sir.
No. இதெல்லாம் பண்ணும்போது நின்னு வேடிக்கை பார்த்துக்க மாட்டேன். அதனால வெயிட் பண்ணு. ஒரு நிமிஷம் வெயிட் பண்ணு.
Yes, sir.
Till here I can listen to you. Now, Dakshit has given the ball to Dakshin Siddharth over here in the corner, and he has relied upon Aswathaman, and Aswathaman, Sibi and Dakshin are in a very, very strong position. So Dakshin's idea was really a cool idea, and Aswathaman is straight over here in the box as a bacteria, and yes. So now, Team Mridubashni, you can speak. மற்றவங்கெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் unraise பண்ணுங்க. I want new hands. Dakshin unraise, Dakshit unraise, Anas unraise, Aswathaman unraise. Okay, Team Mridubashni. Balaji and Kalpita. So we'll hear from Balaji. Balaji, the sequence goes like this. 3 members, Balaji, Kalpita, Mitra. Then we will see. Based on that, then we will see. Solunga, Balaji.
Sir, Kalpita will go forward and try to block the vision of scoring the goal, sir. So this will buy enough time for the two midfielders to come there, sir. And while the midfielders come there, sir, Kalpita passes to 8 of the left midfielders, sir, and they will pass it to Mitra, sir, and Brinda also there, sir. They both will try to score a goal from there, sir.
Okay, fine. So other I can take. Yeah, Kalpita, addition.
Yes, sir. Sir, Mitra shall go forward tackling the ball, sir, since only Ritan is there, sir. And when Ritan is focusing on the ball, Mitra can hit the goal in the movement itself, sir. When she is moving, she shall hit the goal, sir.
Okay, so now this is where they have brought. Now Team Anas has got the right to speak. From Team Anas, I will hear from Anas and Aswathaman. Ritan Nitish. That's a sequence. Anas. Anas, speak. Hey, இப்படி டைமை வேஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்காரா? பேசுறா, அன்மியூட் பண்ணி. Idiot.
Sir, first, sir, Dakshitana will score, take the ball and give it here, sir, to me or Sibi, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, okay, fine. From there, we will have Aswathaman. Aswathaman, as he mentioned, Dakshit has grabbed the ball and he has kicked the ball straight to Sibi. Now the ball is with Sibi. Then.
So now there is Sibi, myself, Dakshinana, and Anasana, sir. So others will try to come tackle us, sir. We'll form like a circle, sir, and I will pass to Sibi, sir. Pass to Sibi, sir.
Okay, right. Enough. Now, we will hear from Ritan Nitish. He mentioned that there is a circle. Fine, that's a good idea. Sibi is over here. Dakshin is over here. Aswathaman is over here and Anas is over here. So, Ritan, what is the promotional message over here from here?
Sir, from now, sir, the ball will be gone to Black Anas, sir. And from there, he will be trying to pass like a circle, sir. You told that there will be a circle, sir. So, like, we have to make everyone collapsed and make what they're going to do, sir, like that, sir. And like confuse them, sir. And after that, at some point, we will be getting a chance to shoot the goal, sir. So, at that time, you will be taking the chance, sir.
Generally, what gives you the clear idea is எந்த பிளேயர் எங்க வருவாங்கன்னு கரெக்ட்டா ஸ்பெசிஃபையா சொன்னீனா தான் இங்க வந்து நான் சர்க்கிளை வச்சு கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணுவேன் நீ சொல்ற I'm giving it to Dakshin. Dakshin, last call.
Yes, sir.
Now after this we go to Mridubhashini. Come on.
Yes, sir. Sir, Sibi has passed it to Anas, sir. Anas holds the ball, sir, waits for Mridubhashini to come near him, and it leaves a gap there, sir, and Sibi utilizes the gap and runs in the flank, sir. And yes, sir, Anas passes to Sibi, sir. And Sibi has ample time to score a goal, sir.
Okay, so here Mridubhashini is here, Vishnupriya is here, Kalpita is here, Balaji is here, and Sibi is all alone here. So we will arrive at a sequence. Sequence is Mitra number 1, Mridubhashini number 2. Where are Kaidukirka? Kalpita, Balaji have raised the hand, and Vishnupriya. Okay, so Mridubhashini number 1, go.
Sir, first, Kalpita will man mark Sibiathan, sir. On that time,
Okay.
Vishnupriya will take off the ball. And me and Vishnupriya will dribble and we we'll cross the players, sir.
Okay, right. Wait, Mitra.
Sir, so both Mridubhashini and Vishnupriya are near Paris corner, sir. So if we are standing in Paris corner, it's going to be an ash shot, sir. So here either of them.
அதை யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. அது மித்ரா ஒருத்தி தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா இது வரைக்கும். பிருந்தா சொன்ன அப்படி ஈஜிப்ட் கார்னர்ன்ட்டு. அந்த ஃபீச்சரை நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணவே இல்லை இது வரைக்கும். டீம் அனாஸ். Good. சொல்லு.
Sir, Mridubhashini straight away gives a ash shot, sir. Here I come to this corner off the field, sir, and it straight away comes here, sir, and I'm bending the ball and I'm scoring a goal, sir. Because it is bending the ball technique is ideally used for scoring a goal, sir. So I used this opportunity and I used a technique to score the goal, sir.
You have to speak, Dakshit.
Sir, yes, sir.
You have written over here. You have you here, and these people have got Brinda over here. Mitra is over here, and this soldiers are running. In the gap la inga enna venal nadakalam. So Ritan, Dakshit, பேசுங்க.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I have an idea, sir.
சொல்லு.
Sir, Ritan blocks the shot, sir. If he fails to do it, I'll block it, sir. Probability only, sir. If he fails to do it, I will block it, sir. If he gets the ball, he'll ping it to Ashwathaman, sir, who's in the green pawn, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm extremely doubting the Vishnupriya, you can speak.
Yes, sir. So after hitting the air shot from Paris corner, sir, Mridubhashnika straight away comes near Brinda, sir. So if Mitra tries to hit a goal in the air, sir, so that Dakshatana can only.
Vishnupriya.
Sir?
Vishnupriya. நீ முடிஞ்சு போனதுக்கு வேற ஒரு ஐடியா சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க. இங்க தக்ஷித் வந்து Ritan block பண்ணுவான். He says that Mitra will be blocked, and if Ritan is not managing to block Mitra, Dakshit himself will block. அதுக்கு counter attack எனக்கு ஏதாவது இருந்தா சொல்லுங்க. Kalpita, you have a counter attack?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, Mridubhashnika shall come to the midfield, sir, because they said Ashwathaman is going to get the pass, sir. So she shall man mark Ashwathaman, and when the ball goes to Ashwathaman, Mridubhashnika straight away hit it as a goal, sir, because nobody is there, sir.
Dakshitana is also there, sir.
That's
He was.
okay. Dakshin, you need to speak because it seems to be a wonderful tackle, and Mridubhashini can straight away hit. Brinda is standing over here, and அதுக்குள்ள Mitra இங்க வந்து இங்க deflect ஆகி ஒருவேளை போச்சுனா கூட Mitra வந்துரும் அப்படி. But Dakshit can very well fast approach backwards, but tackling solution for this. Dakshin, you can speak now.
Sir, Ashwathaman can go near the Indian corner, sir.
No way. That is practically impossible. He is in the box over here. இதெல்லாம் நடக்கிறதுக்குள்ள அவன் பறந்து இங்க வருவாங்கிறது it is impossible. So once again I'll come back to you. Ruled out. Yes. Dakshit.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, Ashwathaman is the green pawn, no, sir?
Correct.
Sir, so that he tackles Mridubhashini and he straight away passes it to Dakshin, sir, who's there. There is a big gap over Ashwathaman and Dakshin, sir.
Possible. Mitra.
Yes, sir.
Your tackling solution, because it is Ashwathaman and Dakshin Siddharth in the middle. இங்க வந்து yes possible. இங்க Mridubhashini ஒரே ஆளா இருக்கிறதுனால அவகிட்ட இருந்து டக்குனு பால் எடுக்கிறது possible. So one time. So you say.
Sir, however, either of them only will be taking the ball here, sir. So here Vishnupriya is standing, sir. If we, it is very easy for us to just take the ball if it is in between their legs, sir. So it would be easy if we just let our legs in between their legs, sir, so that we get the ball. So we straight away get the ball from Egypt corner, sir. We take Vishnupriya and yellow Kalpita ka, sir.
No, Anas is over here. He has stayed put over here. மூணு பேர் ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கானே. அது மேல சிபி இங்க இருக்கான். இவனுங்க இந்த டிபாஸை விட்டு நகரவே இல்லை. So இவனுங்க நாலு பேரை மீறி ஈஜிக்கு நீ கொண்டு வர முடியாது. Okay, so your suggestion is okay. Now Ashwathaman, for a long time, come on, you say. Now Mitra has proposed that she can straight away get it to EG corner, and from EG corner அதோட respective strategy use பண்றதுக்கு she is planning. Now you can say corresponding things.
Sir, here what we will do is, sir, the Dakshinana will be behind me, sir, and I'll hold the ball with my hands, sir, so that she cannot take it, sir. So next, Anasana will put not in hands, sir, in legs, sir, by my foot, sir. Sir, what I'll do next is Anasana will go near the left side of the post, sir. Left side, sir. Post, sir. Okay, then Dakshinana will go to the right side of it, sir. Then what I'll do is I'll put a knuckle shot to the left, sir. But what will happen there is Anasana will stop the knuckle shot and pass it to Dakshinana, sir. So Dakshinana,
Wait. Not possible when two players are here. So Vishnupriya and Kalpita, you can speak now. Vishnupriya.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. So as Ashwathaman is planning for a knuckle shot to Anas sir, I would come near to the Paris corner and I will stop the ball sir. So I would directly pass it to Mirduka sir, who will bring it to Egypt corner sir. So from there it's a successive pass sir. So for the successive pass, Brinda comes there with Mirduka sir, and Mitra comes a little friend sir. So if the and the ball passes to Mitra sir, and I also after passing the ball I also come there sir, and I would help Mitra to score a goal sir.
Okay, very good strategy. Kalpita, addition?
Yes, sir. And the goal can be in low shot, sir. When she gives greater force on the top of the ball, sir, there is lot of chance to the ball to get into the goal post, sir. When there is chance of the goalkeeper to fall down, sir. So I think it would be a goal, sir.
Okay, fine, taken. Brinda, addition?
Yes, sir. Sir, when we are passing, sir, so while we are passing, sir, when three of them are continuously passing, sir, so in one point of view, can forward player Mitra can, if she gives a connective throw, sir, it will be possible for us to goal, sir.
Okay, Anas, now as a leader, your take on this supreme strategy. Anas, Dakshit, Dakshin in a sequence they are speaking now. Anas, go.
So Dakshitana will quickly kick the ball in a rainbow shot, sir.
சரி நீ அதை விடு அடுத்தது சொல்லு உன்னோடைய பர்வியிலிருந்து நீ என்ன பண்ணுவ அதை சொல்லு தக்ஷித்தோட விடு அது அப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம் அது அவன் சொல்லட்டும் அப்புறம் பார்த்துக்கலாம் பட் ஐ டோன்ட் திங்க் இத்தனை பிளேயர் இருக்கும்போது தக்ஷித் வந்துட்டு முன்னாடி வந்து அதை கிக் பண்றது பாசிபிளாங்கிறது எனக்கு தெரியல ஸோ எனி அதர் டாக் அபவுட் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு ஸ்டே புட் ஓவர் ஹியர் ஆர் யூ ஆர் சேயிங் தட் இந்த கன்ஃபியூஷன் நடக்கும்போது நீ எங்கேயாவது வரணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறேன்னா சொல்லு
Sir, I will be coming to near to the ball, sir.
Okay, Dakshit, now it's you.
As a defender, sir.
Fine, Dakshit.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, actually, there is a huge gap between the ball and Mitra, sir. Sir, no, sir. The ball is between Ritan, Nitesh, and Mitra, sir. So that there is possibility for Ritan to kick it to Ashwathaman, sir, who's in their side, sir.
Ritan, Nitesh, addition?
Sir, no, sir. At that time I thought, sir, but right now it's okay, sir.
Good, okay. Dakshin, addition?
Yes, sir. Sir, Sibi goes to the British corner, sir.
Okay.
And I'm already waiting there, sir.
Yeah, you're there, right?
One pass, sir, to me. Sibi passes to me, sir. And without stopping the ball, I quickly put it at the back of the net, sir.
Balaji, Kalpita, you have to speak because there is every possibility that Dakshin is actually realistically very strong here. Now, he is very strong in the corner of the goal. Balaji, go.
Yes, sir. So first I will say, sir. Sir, since the ball is very near to the since Dakshin scoring a goal, sir. Kalpita will try blocking the vision, sir. And since and if the ball is deflected, sir, and it will come. So Kalpita will try to stop the ball at one point, sir. And Kalpita will try to evade the ball, sir, and it goes to the midfielder, sir, left to midfielder, sir, and from that left midfielder, sir, it will pass to Mitra to the forward player Mitra, sir.
Coming to the point of yours, yeah, Dakshit, add up. What is it?
Sir, yes, sir. So that now the ball is with Sibi, sir. So that he kicks it back to Dakshin, sir. Sir, here I would like to switch on my camera, sir. Shall I, sir?
Yeah, please.
Sir, yes, sir. I'm imagining this mouse as a football and this one as Dakshin, sir. So that Kalpita is here, sir. He will rotate the ball and he will score a goal to the top most corner, sir.
That's a goal.
Thank you.
Good job.
Super.
Good job.
Well
Well
done,
Well done.
team.
Well
Hey,
done.
Well
Vanu,
done,
super.
team.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Friends.
Realistically speaking, that's actually a very good goal. I appreciate you, Dakshit.
Thank you.
All
sir.
right. Okay. So,
Well done, Dakshitana.
so a smart tactic of Dakshin coming to the British corner by virtue of taking the pass from Sibi, that was a real good strategy. Once again, I'll leave and come.